Okay, let's start. So because the equipment they have a little bit problem, maybe you should see the two sides, not the middle. So this is a small one, and we have two large. So here, first I welcome all, especially speakers from different countries, and also the audience, so from different parts of China. So in fact, this is the first time. So here I try to, because a lot of people maybe have no any knowledge about the Brainnetome. So we call the Brainnetome Meets Genome. So here I give a very brief introduction about what is the Brainnetome. So in fact, now you do a lot of room. I think at least over 1,000. But I think maybe only very few, maybe will be in for a long time. So for example, for genome, so today we course the Brainnetome Meets Genome. So genome is so very important, and also I think have a very long life. So some maybe is very short. So I think I have a very important criteria. So if you can say the basic components for example, for genome, for protein, have a very clear so what kind of things you want to study. So for the Brainnetome, I think it's the same. So for example, we have only two components. One is the load, and the other one is the connection. So but the Brainnetome can be defined on different scales. For example, we can define it on the micro scale, meso scale, and macro scale. So today, so we touch maybe everything here. So in fact, the first one is organized in 2012 in Brisbane. So here a lot of people also from different countries to attend, especially so over 10 people from China to go to Australia to attend this conference. I think some people also here. So the second one in Beijing, so just 2013. So unfortunately, I have the group of photos for last year. So this is the first one. So I hope you maybe enjoy this symposium and also have a happy stay in Beijing. So I also ask my co-organizer, Pankaj, to speak some things.
Well, thanks, Tianzi. Look, welcome everyone, and it's fantastic to be back in Beijing and for the fourth Brainnetome meeting, and we're hoping the next one will be back in Queensland again. We'd look to see some of you traveling in our direction for a change, which will be great. Look, this has been a long-standing collaboration between us at the Queensland Brain Institute and Tianzi here in Beijing, and it's gone off really well. And this symposium is actually pretty interesting because Tianzi talks about the Brainnetome, but if you look at the talks, it covers the entire gamut from C. elegans all the way to people, which is the way neuroscience is really progressing and hope to progress really over the next 10 to 15 years. And the understanding we really feel will come from the interaction of all these different species, but also computational approaches. So welcome everyone, and have a wonderful time. Look, let me encourage the students in the audience to please, if you don't understand what's going on, ask questions. Don't be afraid. Get up and say, I don't understand, and ask a question. Because listening to the talks here, if you don't follow them, it's a waste of time, if you know what I mean. So if you don't understand, get up and say, look, I don't understand, explain it to me, okay? And that's the whole object of this meeting, not just for people like me and Tianzi, who are getting pretty old now, to sit up here and pontificate about telling you what we think is, and George over there, who falls into the same sort of area. It's not for us to pontificate and tell you, but this is a question and answer session so that we can drive the next generation of scientists in this fantastic area. So welcome and have a great time. Thanks. We'll have this first speaker.